During the rainy season, when the forest awakens after the first rains, tender bamboo shoots begin to sprout from the ground, signaling the start of a new harvest. Villagers often set out early in the morning, carrying machetes, bamboo baskets, or sacks. They follow winding trails deep into the forest, where dense clusters of bamboo and reed grow, ideal spots for finding wild shoots. Collecting bamboo shoots requires experience and a sharp eye. The best shoots are the young ones just breaking through the soil, fresh, plump, and still tender. Harvesters must carefully cut them close to the base with a knife, avoiding damage to the roots so that the plant can continue producing shoots. Some types of bamboo grow in steep, slippery, and damp areas, demanding persistence and caution from those gathering them. Sometimes they have to climb high hills, cross streams, or face forest hazards like leeches, mosquitoes, and even snakes to reach the best harvest spots. After a long morning in the forest, the gatherers return with their baskets heavy with bamboo shoots. The fresh shoots are usually processed immediately to preserve their crisp texture and natural sweetness. Depending on the type, they may be boiled, pickled, sun-dried, or salted for long-term storage. Wild bamboo shoots are not only a local delicacy but also a valuable source of income for many families, especially those in remote areas. During harvest season, families can collect dozens of kilograms per day to sell to traders or at local markets. Harvesting wild bamboo shoots is more than just an economic activity. It reflects the close bond between people and the forest. Every step through the woods and every careful cut shows respect for nature's precious gifts. Today, with changing weather patterns and human impact, wild bamboo shoots are becoming increasingly rare. Therefore, many local communities are beginning to adopt more sustainable harvesting practices, protect the forest, and preserve this traditional cultural heritage for future generations. The lychee season is a vibrant and bustling time in many rural areas of Vietnam, especially in Luc Ninh, Bac Giang. Clusters of ripe, red lychees hang heavily from the branches, spreading a sweet fragrance throughout the orchards. Farmers are busy harvesting, and cheerful chatter echoes along the paths. The lychee, with its bright red skin and juicy white flesh inside, offers a sweet and refreshing taste. The season not only brings income to local farmers but also marks a lively summer full of energy, warmth, and love.